that instead of having just the usual 50,000, we are stronger and richer by 30,000 this time. Okay. And in addition to that, the transportation of the CD2 heads going to the convention at Lingayen, Pangasinan, come 24 to 26, we'll be leaving on the 23rd. The transportation is being shouldered by our good Vice Ganda, the former Mayor Baby Aling Vargas, and she gave me a while ago 20,000 pesos. Okay, so even if our beloved congressman has passed away, we are doubly supported. So can we afford to lose? Of course, we cannot afford to be losers, diba? So my dear coaches, my dear officiating officials, and my dear fellow district heads, let us work for CD2. Let us work for us to retain the crown, the Sipag crown. Okay, so tomorrow we will be starting our meet, and let us play for our best delegation, come provincial meet. So tonight, let us enjoy this activity. We agreed during our district heads meeting that we will have the sports clinic as part one of the activity tonight. And after the sports clinic, perhaps we can do video singing, we can do some sort of bonding activities, so that will make us closer to each other, and so that we will be able to attain harmonious working relations for CD2. So let us do our best, and let us